everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today it's gonna be a review video. Now if you guys follow me since a while and if you guys know me, then you know that I'm such a big fan of skincare. Even more than makeup, I like to post more DIYs, so I am a big fan of skincare. So today I'm gonna be reviewing clay mask which is from a brand named Prolexa. So this is the Prolexa Perfect Skin Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask. So you know that this mask is a viral mask. It has been going viral on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube since months. Now when this brand actually reached out to me, I was like super excited because I know I'm gonna love this product. It has so much of positive reviews, but then I had to try it on my skin because सबके skin same नहीं होते हैं. I wanted to see how it works on my skin, and also I received it in this box and they so beautifully decorated it with paper cuts, and also you have this catalog kind of a thing where you can read everything related to this product. Isn't it so cute? Now, coming back to the product, once you open this box, you will find this amazing thing, which is a very mini small brush. Now, I love masks which comes in with this kind of mini brushes. Like, what more can you expect? Like, this brushes are so necessary if you are applying a mask with your hands, and then if you have pimples on your skin, you will touch that, and then again you will touch with your finger on the product, and your product will no more be a product but a tub filled with bacteria. So these kind of stuff is so very important, and then you can wash it off later on. And now when you open this paper thing, you will find that this is the product, and yeah, so this is how the product looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? It is so sturdy. It is made up of glass, so make sure you do not drop it. Use it very carefully, and also it is a 50-gram product. I do not know if the camera can capture it or not. Okay, so once you open this, you will find a cover which is anyway available or comes in built with all clay masks or all products. You need to lift this up and then you will find the product, and this is how the product looks like. Oh my god, this is such a pretty lovely color, and it smells really nice. It doesn't have a very strong smell, a very mild soothing smell which doesn't smells like any sort of chemicals. It is not made up of any sort of harsh chemicals, and the best part is it's cruelty free. I have tried it on my face and I am going to review about it, but first let's talk about its benefits, which is written in the box itself. Now, what the product or the company claims is, it is the Prolexa Perfect Skin Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask. It deeply hydrates your skin, detoxify and brighten up your skin, protect against pollution, tighten pores and boost radiance. So in general, it will first clean your pores, enhance your radiance. It's not a whitening product, but it will enhance your radiance. It will help you glow, and obviously it will deeply hydrate. Now if your skin is hydrated, you will anyway glow, guys. Now this box has every information which you would need. Like, first of all, it has all its benefits, and then it has written its ingredients, how to use. Now I'll be showing you guys how to use it. I'll apply it on my skin and then show you, but I'm just in generally telling you that if you happen to buy this product, everything will be written here, or else you will have this catalog kind of a thing where everything is written again and explained in details. Now this product retails for 1490 rupees, but if you happen to buy it from their website directly, then you will get some off, maybe 999 only. Okay, now if you are buying some skincare product, you are investing your money in skincare, then make sure you check its ingredients and what all it does to your skin, because you do not want to experiment with your skin. Now, this product actually works on your skin, guys. Now why I tell you that this product actually works, because I have used it twice or thrice thrice on my skin, and each time it has shown results. Now if you want to know that why scientifically or practically it works, is because of its ingredient. It has diatomaceous earth, because of which its color is so beautiful, but rather than that, it helps in curing acne, tightening your pores, help you gain that radiance. It has hyaluronic acid which helps your skin hydrate. It helps actually to lock that moisture into your skin, because this is a clay mask. Clay mask actually tends to, dry up your skin, but this is an exception. It won't like really dry up your skin, but it will also help you lock that moisture inside your skin. Has seaweed algae. Also in the name it is written that it is a detoxifying sea algae mask. So what sea algae does is it helps in removing the toxins from your skin, and it also helps in detoxifying your skin. It also has activated charcoal in few amount, because of which it will help your pores clean up, get rid of those excess oil, because of which you get pimples. And also it has vitamin C. We all know the goodness of vitamin C. I do not have to repeat it again and again. Please Google it and check, or else you do not even have to Google it. It is a brightening agent and also good for your skin. Application process is super easy, just the way you apply any other clay mask, but the removing portion or the removing method, the process, it is a bit different. You will see it in the next clip. So the first step would be to clean your face with a good face wash. Now here is a closer look of the product. Once you open it, you will see a gorgeous baby pink clay mask, and you're gonna use the brush it comes with and apply it all over your face. Here I have fast forwarded the video because it took me quite a long time to apply it all over my face. I like to take my time and apply it slowly. And once you're done applying it all over your face, make sure you keep it for 10 minutes and not more than that. And within 10 minutes it will completely dry out, and here you do not have to wash it, but wet a towel with lukewarm water and very slowly and generously wipe that clay mask off your skin. Now you can already see the glow on my skin, guys. It just brightened up my skin in that one application, and also my skin looks much more plump. So that was my review about this product, Prolexer Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask. I personally loved this product. It has actually worked on my skin instantly, like from the first application. Do not expect this to work on your pimples on the first application, but you will see some radiance, glow, and you will feel clean from within. Like, that is what makes this product an exception, and that is why I am giving such an honest and such a positive response. If you want to get this product, the link will be down below in the description box. And if you like this video, hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, and put on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.